The detox fasting and juicing help with the GERD problem. And how often should I do this to reset my gut if I have GERD? You're going to reset your gut the very first month. It doesn't take long to see drastic changes in the body with this type of fast. But the key is that you don't go back to the standard American diet. So with people with GERD, a lot of times they become sensitive to certain foods, even healthy foods. I have had patients who are raw vegan, eat a healthy diet, and then all of a sudden they start to have a reaction. And I would start testing them, and I will share an example with you. I had a patient in Chicago who had MD, muscular dystrophy, and she had an exceptional diet. And so she would eat avocados every day, like 4 to 6 of them, every single day. And because she ate that so often, she developed a sensitivity to it. That's why it's so important to rotate your foods and not eat the same thing every day, month after month, year after year. So she had developed a sensitivity to it. So now when she would eat the avocado, it would create inflammation. And the inflammation, of course, goes to your weakest area, and it would cause muscle weakness. And so we were able to test her, identify that, take her off avocados for a few days, neutralize her sensitivity, and then get her to do more of the rotation type diet. And she's done extremely well. So that you can develop food allergies and sensitivities. And so you just and I'll teach you what to do to identify them. So there's a test called the Cocoa Pulse test that we will have you do when you start introducing certain foods, or if you were to have a little bit more GERD with the juicing, then I would have you test each juice to see which one you're sensitive to. But rest assured that you're going to have a little bit of healing crisis as you go through, because your body is not used to these foods and at the quantity of nutrition that you're going to be putting in. But it will get better. It will be short-lived. It will get better. You will feel amazing. A lot of individuals after this program that had the big bloated stomach, it's flat as can be. They don't have bloating when they eat. They have normal bowel movements. They don't have the brain fog, everything. Even vision gets better. So everything gets better.